Hey, what's up, guys? It's been a couple of weeks. I haven't put out a video. Been kind of busy. I don't know. I got an American. It's the American 5200. I got it in the mail. Just yesterday it came in. Um, yeah, it's not too bad of a bidding, but figured it's just get a quick video out there so you can see it as a working lock. And it is locked. I figure we'll get a good quick pick here while I had some free time. Go top of the keyway with a Peterson 50, and I have an HPC standard hook here. And going pretty light tension. Just feeling for those binding pins. And, well, alright, that was a pretty quick one. So, I guess we're gonna gut this if I can find my screwdriver. Yeah, this one will do. Open these up. As you know, there's a screw down the shackle. Loosen that up. Come on. Not yet. And that out. Get out. That looks like a little wafer there, so can't bypass it. Alright. Gonna take off the retainer clip. No. Use the key here. Let's get this clip off. Really got to get one of those clip tools that make it nice and easy to come off. Whoops, I'm already losing pins here. Looks like there might have been some wafer pins. Oh, these are just top short pins. Okay. So for the key pins, oops, there's 1 and 2. These are all coming out together. Alright. Let's see. I'm not sure of my order here. I'm going to have to figure these out in a minute. There's a lot of 0-bit cuts in here, so there's some very short pins here. Oh man, that whole thing just fell apart. I always hate gutting these Americans. They're everything's out of order now. These pieces are so small compared to, you know, standard Schlage and different locks like that. But, look at these. I'm not going to reassemble this on video because I have no idea where anything goes. But there's a lot of... Just to give you an idea of what's in this particular lock. And I'm losing my... I don't know, there's a lot of small... I don't know if this was once keyed up as... looks like there's some master pins in here. Some... It says full of master wafers. Like most Americans, it's all... everything's serrated. Looks like there's only one serrated spool in here. The key pins all look like they have a couple of serrations. And it looks like this might have been master keyed up at one point. So we do have those wafers. So I'm going to have to figure this out. What the order is. These driver pins don't really make much of a difference. It's just where I want to put that spool. But I'll figure out how to key this back up and get it reassembled. But there you go. I just want to do a quick video on gutting of an American 5200. Not a hard lock once you get used to doing it. And as always, if you like the video, you know, please subscribe to my channel. And, you know, keep it safe and legal. Don't pick locks that don't belong to you. Don't pick locks that are in use. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.